according to this Information Technology Act, so the definitions which have been given for various different terms. The addressee means is a person, one who is intended by the, that is, originator, and he will be receiving the electronic record, computer software or communication facilities which are connected to the related of a computer in a computer system or computer network. Computer resource, communication device, information stored therein from unauthorized access. Hi and a warm welcome to you all, dear students. Hi, George Lime, Commerce Faculty, Department of Commerce, Vidyashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. Dear students, today we shall take up session 2 of Unit 5, that is related to Information Technology Act of 2000. In the last class, I was explaining to you about the introduction part and whether it is applicable, where it is applicable, where it is not applicable, the objectives, everything. Today we shall see the other important topics in this particular unit. Now we'll come to the definition part. So the definition of Information Technology Act says, according to Chapter 1 of the Information Technology Act of 2000, it lays down the preliminary rules that are applicable to other provisions through this particular act. So according to the Information Technology Act of 2000, it lays down preliminary rules, that is what we call the basic rules which are applicable to all the other provisions through the act. Now, in particular, the Act lays focus on the definition that have been provided for the legal terminology that is used within the Information Technology Act. So, here we see, in particular, if you see this particular Information Technology Act, it will lay the focus. It is focusing on the definitions which is given under this particular Information Technology Act, and that has been provided for legal as a legal terminology and which is being used within that particular act. Now, according to this Information Technology Act, so the definitions which have been given for various different terms, that is the important terms which are related to the cyber law. First we will see what is, first and foremost, let us see what do you mean by access. Access means, with its grammatical variations and congruent expressions, it means gaining entry into. Access means gaining entry into, instructing or communicating with the logical, arithmetical or memory function resources of a computer system or computer network. So this is what is the actual term, meaning of the term called as access. So with its grammatical variations and cognate expressions, it means gaining entry into or instructing or communicating with the logical, arithmetical or memory functions resources of a computer system or computer network. Now the next term is addressee. What does it mean? It means a person who is intended by the originator. So a person who has been intended by the originator in order to receive the electronic record, but does not include any intermediary. So here the addressee means is a person, one who is intended by the, that is, originator, and he will be receiving the electronic record, but it doesn't include, that means no intermediary, means no middleman will be allowed. Only this person, addressee, can take the or receive the electronic record. Now affixing electronic signature with its grammatical variation and congruent expressions means, now coming to the next one, affixing electronic signature. Now what is this affixing electronic signature? It is also one of the important terms which is used, in this IT Act 2000. So it is with grammatical variations and congruent expressions means adoption of any methodology. So adopting any method or methodology or procedures by a person for the purpose of authenticating an electronic record by means of electronic signature. So according to this electronic signature or affixing electronic signature means, it says adoption of any kind of methodology or the procedure which is been followed by any of the person for the purpose of authenticating. It means it is legally giving a permission of electronic record by means of electronic signature. So he is having, or he is permitting, or he has been permitted or authenticated to put that signature on that particular electronic record. That is according to IT Act of 2000. The next term is asymmetric crypto system. Asymmetric crypto system. It means a system of secure key pair consisting of private key for creating a digital signature and a public key in order to verify the digital signature. So asymmetric crypto system means it is a system of a secure key pair which is consisting of a private key, right, for creating a digital signature. So in order to create a digital signature, so they are using a private key, right, and a public key also in order to verify the digital signature according to IT Act of 2000. Next is certifying authority. Now, who is the certifying authority under this IT Act? It means he is a person who has been granted a license in order to issue the electronic signature certificate under section 24 of IT Act 2000. So, certifying authority means he is a person who has been granted a license in order to issue the electronic signature certificate under section 24 Act of IT Act of 2000. Next term is related to communication device. It means cell phones, personal digital assistants, SIS, or it may be the combination of both, that is the cell phones and the personal digital assistants, combination of both, or any other device which is used in order to communicate or send or transmit any text, videos, or any audios or images according to IT Act of 2000. So communication device means it may be a cell phones, right, or the personal digital assistants, or it may be combination of both of cell phone and personal digital assistants, or any other device used to communicate or send or transmit any images or the text or videos or any audios according to the IT Act of 2000. Now, next term is of computer. What do you mean by computer? Everyone knows what is a computer. It is an electronic. It means any electronic, magnetic, optical or high-speed data processing device or system which will perform logical, arithmetical, memory functions by manipulation of electronic, magnetic or optical impulses, and also it includes all inputs and outputs, processing, data storage, computer software or communication facilities which are connected to the related of a computer in a computer system or computer network. So according to IT section of 2000. So I'll repeat, computer means any electronic, magnetic, optical or high-speed data processing device, or it can be a system which performs logically, arithmetically and with memory functions by manipulations of electronic, magnetic or optical impulses, and also it includes the input and output, processing, storage part, computer software or communication facilities which are connected to the related of a computer in a computer system or a computer network. Now, what do you mean by a computer network? The term computer network means it says the interconnection of one or more computers or computer systems or communication device through number one, the use of satellite, microwave, then terrestrial line, wire, wireless or other communication media. Secondly, terminals or complex consisting of two or more interconnected computers or communication device, whether or not the interconnection is continuously maintained according to section IT Act of 2000. Next is computer resource. It means computer communication device, computer system, computer network data, computer database or software of IT Act of 2000. Now this computer, next is computer system. It means it is a device or a collection of devices including all the inputs and outputs which is supporting the devices and also excluding all the calculators which are not programmable and capable of being used in the conjunction with the external files which contains computer programs, electronic instruction, data input and output, that will perform the logical, arithmetic as well as data storage and retrieval, that is communication, control and other functions according to IT section of 2000. Next is cyber cafe. Cyber cafe means any facilities from where the access to the internet is offered by any person in the ordinary course of business to the members of the public. So that we call it as cyber cafe. It means any facilities from where access to the internet is offered by any person in the ordinary course of the businesses to the members of the public. Next is cyber security. It means protecting the information, equipment, devices, computer resource, communication device and information stored therein from unauthorized access, use, disclose, disruption, modification or destruction. So this is related to cyber security. Next is data. Data means the representation of information, knowledge, facts, concepts or instructions which are being prepared or have been prepared in a formalized manner, right? And it is intended to be processed. It has been processed or has been processed in a computer system or a computer network or maybe of any form, which includes the computer printout, magnetics or optical storage media, then punched cards, punch tapes or stored internal in the memory of a computer. Next comes the digital signature. Means authentication of any electronic record by subscriber by means of electronic method or procedure in accordance with the provisions of section 3. Next is electronic form. Electronic form, it says it refers to the information, means any information generated, right, sent, received or stored in the media. Then magnetic, optical, computer memory, microfilm, computer generated micro, fetch or similar device. Next we have electronic record. It means the data record or data generated, images or the sounds stored, received or sent in an electronic form or microfilm or a computer generated micro fetch. Next is electronic signature. Electronic signature means it refers to authentication of any kind of electronic record by a subscriber by means of the electronic technique specified in the second schedule and includes digital signature. Next we have function. Function means in relation to the computer, it includes logic, control, arithmetical process, deletion, that is taking away, storage, retrieval, then communication or telecommunication from or within a computer. What is an information? Information means it includes data, messages, text, images, sound, voice, codes, then computer programs, software and database or micro-based films or computer generated micro fetch. Next is intermediary. With respect to any particular electronic records means any person on whom behalf or another person receives, stores or transmits that particular record, or it has been or provides any kind of services with respect to that particular record, and includes telecom service providers, network service providers, internet service providers, web hosting services providers, then search engineers, online payment sites, online auction sites, online marketplaces and cyber cafes. So all these are the intermediaries. Then we have key pair. Key pair is an asymmetric crypto system, means a private key, and it is a mathematical related public key, which are so related that the public key can verify a digital signature which is being created by the public keys. And what is originator? It means the person who sends, generates, stores or transmits any kind of electronic message or causes any electronic messages to be sent which has been generated, stored or transmitted to any other person but does not include any other intermediary. Private key, it means the key of a key pair used in order to create a digital signature. So private key means it's the key of a key pair used to create a digital signature. Public key, it means the key of a key pair used to verify the digital signature. See the difference. This key is a key pair which is used to create the digital signature. This public key is a key pair which is used to verify the digital signature. So here it is creating, public key is creating, here it is verifying the digital signature and is listed in the digital signature certificate. Next is secure system. It means computer hardware, software, procedure, that is number one, are reasonably secure from unauthorized access and misuse. B, it provides a reasonable level of reliability and correct operations. Thirdly, are reasonably suited to performing the intended functions. And a third, to generally accepted security procedures. Next term is of subscriber. Now, who is a subscriber? It means a person in whose name the electronic signature certificate is issued. So, that person is called as a subscriber. So, it means a person in whose name the electronic signature certificate are issued, that person is called as subscriber. So, students, these are the important topics and important related terms in this particular IT section that is related to cyber law. So, let us just see what all the important terms we have understood here in this particular session. So, here it says, according to Information Technology Act 2000, it lays down certain rules and regulations, preliminary rules and regulations, which are applicable to all other provisions through this particular act. And this particular act lays a focus mainly on the definitions which are provided for legal terminology. And you can see these are the important related terms and definitions given by the cyber, according to cyber law. First is access. It is gaining entry. It means gaining entry into or instruction or communication with a logical, arithmetical or memory function resource of a computer, computer system or computer network. Second is addressee. It means a person who is intended by the originator in order to receive the electronic record. Then affixing electronic signature means it means adoption of any methodology, procedure by a person for the purpose of authenticating an electronic record by means of electronic signature. Then asymmetric crypto system, it means a system of a secure key pairs consisting of private keys for the creation of digital signature and public keys in order to verify the digital signature. Then certifying authority is a person who has been granted a license in order to issue electronic signature certificate. Communication device, it may be a cell phone or digital personal digital assistance or a combination of both, that is which is used in order to communicate, send or transmit any kind of text, audio, videos, image, etc. Computer, it means electronic, magnetic, optical or any other either high-speed data processing system or device which performs logical, arithmetical as well as memory functions by manipulation of electronic, magnetic or optical impulses, which includes input, output, processing, storage, then computer software or communication facilities which are connected to the related computer or computer networks. Computer network means it is interconnection of one or more computer system of communication device through use of satellite, microwave, terrestrial line, wire or wireless or any other communication media. Resource, computer resource, it means it is a communication device system where it says, or it may be network data, computer database or software. So computer system means it is a device of collection of devices including input, output, support services, devices including calculators which are not programmable and capable of being used in the conjunction with external files which contains programs, electronic instructions, data input, output data that performs arithmetical, logical and arithmetical data storage and retrieval, communication, control and other functions. Cyber cafe, any facility from where the access to the internet is offered by any person in the ordinary course of business to the public. Cyber security means protecting the information, equipment, device, computer resource, communication device, information stored therein from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption. Data, representation of information, knowledge, fact, concepts or instructions which have been prepared or been prepared in a formalized manner. Digital signature means authentication by any electronic record by subscriber by means of an electronic method or procedure in accordance with the provisions of section 3. Next is electronic form, reference, that is refers to information, means any information generated, sent, received or stored in a media, magnetic, optical, computer memory, microfilm, computer generated micro, fetch or similar device. Electronic record, it is a data, a record or data generated image or sound storage received in or sent in electronic form or microfilm or computer generated microfetch. Then electronic signature, authentication of any electronic record by subscriber by means of techniques specified in a second schedule and includes digital signature. Function, then information, intermediary, key pair, originator, private key, public key, secure system, subscriber, etc. So all these are the important topics which I had explained to you today, students. So go through all this. They can ask you even for like, what do you mean by a cyber cafe? What is mean by cyber security? Then or signature, digital signature, like this. So they can ask any 5 of them and tell you to explain, or they'll ask you give the definitions of the important terms, related terms in the Information Technology Act or in the definition of cyber laws. So students, hoping that you understood this particular topic. See you in the next session. Until then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.